Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V and I'm going to try to enable the Laptimer over here on the instrument cluster. So I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the OBD2 port. I have the OBDeleven application running over here on my iPhone, which is already connected to the vehicle. And right now I'm going to enter a list of all modules and scroll down to find instrument cluster or dashboard. Module number 17 is over here. And we are going to enter long coding, and on the top of the list, close to the top of the list, we have option called Laptimer. So let's open it. It's set to no, so let's switch it to yes, and let's slide to write new value. And I believe it was as simple as that. Right now I can use buttons on the steering wheel to try to find the Laptimer. So with the left and right, we are going to enter the trip computer, I believe. And right now with this button we are going to look for new option which is called Laptimer. And we have oil temperature over here. We have Laptimer, which we are going to control with the OK button over here and the scroll wheel. So if you want to measure your times, just press to start, and you can see the lap time is being measured right now. And you can scroll down for split times, for pause, for reset and statistics. All cool options over here if you are into this kind of feature. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find some more details about this feature. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.